Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi calling drains the battery in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center, and here you can check your airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then go back to your home screen and go closer to your router. It can fix minor glitches. And then open your settings. In settings, click on my phone and then click on check for updates. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.